Here's the transmission all lubed up. I'm ready to join the two halves and finish the assembly. Just wanted to show really quick that just the inside of the transmission. You see all the red and tacky grease that I got on there. This is actually the first spin I'm doing here, and it's starting to distribute pretty heavy. The red and tacky is no joke. I'm actually going to stop trying to spin it right now because it's going to get all over the place, and I don't want it all over the place outside of it. You see how effective that red and tacky is. See how it's starting to spline out. But anyway, that's the inside of the transmission. Just wanted to show you before I closed it up. I went ahead and snapped the cover on real quick. I just wanted to point out that the manual asks for you to grease the main gear that touches the pinion. That's a personal preference. I don't like grease on my pinion gear. Most manufacturers that I've dealt with don't ask for grease on the pinion gear. It makes a mess when you're trying to change things. So I grease all gears except for the pinion. You can actually see the grease on the other gear that will be covered up by the motor mount right there. So yeah, I grease all gears except for the main gear that touches the pinion. So I got the transmission built and mounted onto the skid plate. It's a unique skid plate. I haven't seen this before in any RC. It's got these rollers underneath. I really don't think it's going to hurt anything, but I don't know if it's going to help either. But it's something unique, something different. Anyway, transmission's mounted to that. I don't have the motor yet, but it's just a simple screw in. Once you get it, attach the pinion and screw it on. Right now I'm ready to attach the drive shafts with a simple pin, and that's it for transmission. These just take a simple 2mm set pin, one on each side. There's one installed, and there's the other one. So there's the transmission with the drive shafts installed on the skid plate. That leaves me with axles built, and the transmission. Next we're starting to build the frame and attaching everything to the frame.